Good morning, teacher. I hope you are good. Okay. Well, my name is Daniela Perez Lopez. I am 20 years old. I was born in the city of Monteria, Córdoba. I graduated from the Antonio Nariño School in 2017. Okay. Continues. My favorite activities are usually swimming, mm, going to the gym, or just staying home to watch series or movies. I don't really like going out, although if it's with my best friends, I can make an exception. But I always end up coming home without spirits. Okay. It's something that I guess I adopted now in the pandemic, I guess. I am currently studying law at the UPB since this career has always caught my attention and I am passionate about many aspects in which it relates. You discover yourself as you progress, and it has happened to me. Okay, regarding the future, I don't like to talk a lot in a serious way, like having some time already stipulated because I feel that everything must be given in the process. With the fact of making my parents, my grandmother, and my little sister proud. I would be completely happy since they have always given everything for me. The time will come when I will give everything for them. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much for your attention. See you later.